Stop scrolling. If you're a student, don't skip this video. There are websites on the internet that can help you research faster, understand difficult topics, write better, organize your work, and even save you hours every week. And the crazy part? You probably haven't heard of most of them. So today, I'm giving you 7 websites every student should know. Don't just watch this video, save it, because you may need these websites later. Let's get into it. Let's start with one of the most important websites for students doing research. It's called Google Scholar. Instead of searching the entire internet for academic information, Google Scholar helps you find scholarly articles, research papers, theses, books, and other academic sources. So if you're writing an assignment, project, dissertation, or research paper, this can be much more useful than relying on random websites. Here's a simple tip. When you're researching a topic, don't just copy information from the first result you find. Look for credible sources, check who published the research, and compare different sources. Google Scholar can help you start that process. If mathematics or science gives you a headache, pay attention to this one. Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine that can help with mathematics, statistics, science, conversions, and many other calculations. You can enter a mathematical problem or question and get computational results and explanations depending on the query. But here's my advice. Don't use it simply to copy answers. Use it to understand how the answer was reached. That's the difference between using technology to cheat and using technology to learn. Next up is Canva. And honestly, every student who creates presentations, posters, resumes, social media graphics, or school projects should know about this website. You don't have to be a professional graphic designer. Canva gives you templates that you can customize with your own text, images, and designs. Need to make a presentation look more professional? Need a poster for a school event? Need a clean-looking resume? Canva can help you get started without spending hours designing everything from scratch. Just don't forget to make the work your own. Number 4 is Grammarly. If English isn't your strongest subject, or you simply want to catch mistakes before submitting an assignment, this can be useful. It can help identify things like spelling, grammar, punctuation, and clarity issues. Imagine spending an hour writing an important email or assignment, and then realizing you've made several simple mistakes. A quick review with a writing assistant can help catch some of them. But don't blindly accept every suggestion. Your own judgment still matters. The goal is to become a better writer, not to let a tool write everything for you. Now we're getting serious. If you've ever worked on a long research project, you know how annoying it can be to keep track of dozens of sources. That's where Zotero comes in. Zotero is a research tool that helps you collect, organize, and manage sources and references. Instead of having random links scattered across your browser, you can organize the sources you're using for your research. And when you're working on a major project with lots of references, staying organized can save you a ridiculous amount of time. If you're a university student doing serious research, learn this one. Number 2 is Notion. Think of it as a digital workspace where you can organize different parts of your student life. You can create notes, to-do lists, project pages, study plans, databases, and more. For example, you could create a page for each subject you're studying. Then you could keep your notes, assignments, deadlines, and study plans organized in one place. Instead of asking yourself, wait, when is this assignment due? You can actually have everything organized. The important thing is not to spend 3 hours designing a beautiful productivity system and then never study. Keep it simple and actually use it. And finally, number 1, Quizlet. If you're trying to memorize definitions, vocabulary, formulas, concepts, or other study material, Quizlet can be extremely useful. You can create digital study sets and use different study activities to review the material. This is especially useful when you have an exam coming up and need to repeatedly test yourself. And here's a powerful study tip. Don't just read your notes over and over again. Try to actively recall the information. Close your notes. Ask yourself a question. Then try to answer it from memory. Tools like Quizlet can make that process much easier. So those are 7 websites every student should know. Google Scholar for research, Wolfram Alpha for calculations, Canva for design, Grammarly for writing, Zotero for references, Notion for organization, and Quizlet for studying. But here's the most important thing. You don't need to use all 7. Pick the ones that solve your biggest problem right now and actually learn how to use them. Because having 100 productivity websites bookmarked doesn't make you productive. Knowing how to use 5 really good tools does. If this video helped you discover at least one new website, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills for more useful websites, AI tools, computer tips, shortcuts, and digital skills that can make your life easier. Study smarter, work faster, and I'll see you in the next video.